Hi guys, this is my corset midi dress. Cutting is done. This is the front, cut 4. 2 is upper part, upper body part, 2 is lining part. And same cut 4, 2 upper body, 2 lining body. And this is the cups part, 4 part, 2 part upper body, 2 lining, and same another one, cups, 2 upper, 2 lining. And this one is cups, upper part 2 and 2 lining, and this one is back, cut 4, 2 upper and 2 lining. This one is same back part, 2 cut upper body, 2 lining. This is a muslin fabric, just only for the explain how you can stitch the corset midi dress. Okay, let's start stitching. First you have to take 2 part and 2 part and 2 part and 2 part. You just stitch like this together. Okay. And same stitch lining also, and notches here. First you have to stitch like this, 2, okay. The round shape is the underbust part, the round shape. Already notches is mentioned in the pattern file. Okay.